How to use Gmail's new AI email summaries. Step 1. Open your Gmail app or go to gmail.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google Workspace or personal Google account with Gemini access. If it's your first time, tap Gemini icon in the top right to activate summaries. Step 2. Tap on any long email or thread. At the top, you'll see a summarize this email option with Gemini icon. Tap it and within a seconds, you'll get a clean, short summary of entire message. Step 3. You can also ask Gemini follow-up questions like what's the action item or summarize replies only. This works great for long threads, work updates, or newsletters. To make the most of it, turn on Gemini in your Google settings and use it daily to cut email reading time in half. This is perfect for professionals, students, and busy inboxes. And that's it.